This segment is sponsored by Renewal by Andersen.
All right, folks, if you need to replace the windows and doors in your home, do you want to choose a company that sometimes does windows and doors, or a company that only does windows and doors? Our good friend Lucio Shields of Renewal by Andersen is here to explain why it's important to know the difference. And it's a great time to get your project done because Lucy has a huge countdown to Black Friday sale to share with us. It's Renewal by Andersen's biggest offer of the year, and it ends December the 2nd. Good to see you, girl.
Good to see you.
All right, a lot of companies do windows and doors, but Renewal by Andersen only replaces windows and doors, and that's very important, isn't it?
Absolutely. We all see those, trucks go down the road with advertisements on the side that may say that they sell and install gutters, roofing, siding, and somewhere on that list you'll see windows listed. And they may do well at installing those windows, but you can really only be exceptional if you're installing something every single day.
Yeah.
Now, we are the full service replacement division of Andersen, and all we do is install windows and doors.
Yeah.
So everything from the sale to manufacturing to installation to warranty, we're with you from start to finish.
Whatever happens, you've seen it before. Yeah,
Yes.
Definitely. And all of your windows are custom built. Why is that a big deal?
Oh, it's a huge deal. So let's say you go to your local big box store and you want to purchase, a window. They come in stock sizes, right? So you're going to have to purchase a stock size window that's close to what you have in your home, and you end up having most likely to modify your home in order for it to fit. So we do it differently, right? So
You modify your home instead of the window?
Right? So with us, we'll come out, we will actually measure the existing opening, and then we can custom make that window to fit perfectly in that space. So what you're getting is a much tighter fit, and we're preventing those drafts and leaks from happening.
Big part of it.
Yes.
And speaking of big, you have a huge countdown to Black Friday sale going on right now.
Absolutely. It's actually our biggest one this year. We get so excited because we're able to offer this, to the public. It's now through December 2nd, and you can get everything. I mean, everything, 25% off. That's our patio doors, entry doors, and windows.
Wow.
I know. Plus, with our financing, you can get everything with no money down, no payments, no interest for an entire year. And it's Black Friday, so you can get an extra $500 off your entire project.
Yeah, that's a huge savings.
Yes.
The amazing sale does end on December the 2nd. Call 804-362-3737 or scan the QR code. I'm sorry, that's 352. Got it wrong. 804-352-3737 or scan the QR code on your screen to schedule your free appointment. All right, folks, look up your reviews online. They see that your installers have an outstanding reputation. What makes them stand out in the home improvement industry?
The biggest thing is we don't just hire any subcontractor off the street, right? So our certified master installers have immense training. In fact, we train them to Andersen's highest standards before they even step foot in your home. So we can help you be comfortable that they're going to finish your job and do it perfectly the first time. And a lot of those contractors out there, they're really not interested in our feedback as homeowners, right? They're interested in finishing that job, getting out of your driveway, and going to the next job that they have to do. But with us, we absolutely love your feedback. So our crews are going to ask for your feedback. They're going to go through the window and door functions with you. And if you have feedback for us, they're welcoming it. They're even walking you through it if you need help in giving it.
So they actually want to know?
We want to know all of it.
You want to know what they think?
Absolutely.
It's different. Wow.
It is. It's
amazing.
great.
All right. The first thing you do when a customer calls is set up a free in-home window and door diagnosis. And what can folks expect from that appointment?
Well, luckily, we make it easy. So when we come out, we are going through and we're examining your windows and doors from the inside and outside to see where you're losing energy. We're then going to go through and look at all the options we have for windows and doors. So whether it's colors, it's your hardware, grill patterns, glass packages, we're going to have that sample of our wonderful Fibrex window for you to see. And then we'll be able to sit with you and understand your budget preferences. So before we leave, we're leaving you with an exact price quote that's good for an entire year.
Exact for a year.
Yes. You're welcome.
All right, once again, Renewal by Andersen's countdown to Black Friday sale has been extended to December the 2nd. Call today to get 25% off every window, patio door, and entry door, and you'll pay nothing for an entire year. Plus, you'll get an additional $500 off your entire project. This is Renewal by Andersen's biggest offer of the year, so do not wait. I'll get the number right this time. Call 804-352-3737. Visit VAWindowReplacement.com or scan the QR code on your screen to schedule your free appointment. Virginia This Morning returns in less than 3 minutes.